ಪಾನ್ ಮಸಾಲ ಗುಟ್ಕಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಶೆ ಕೂಡ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನನಗೆ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಇದೆ. 100 ಕೋಟಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು. ಆದರೆ ಮುಂದಿನ ದಿನದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಲೀಕರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಯಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ, ಇಫ್ ಎನಿವನ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಬಿಟ್ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಬಿಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ನಶೆ ಇನ್ ದಟ್, if you see that some small drug is added, I will see that I will try to ban this in Karnataka. So you should be very cautious.
Karnataka Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar has warned that the state will ban the sale of pan masala, gutka and similar chewing tobacco products if they are found to contain narcotic substances. Speaking at the 31st Foundation Day celebrations of the Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences and the Nashamukt Bharat Conclave at Kantirwa Stadium, the Chief Minister said the government was prepared to forego nearly 100 crore rupees in revenue if necessary to protect public health. He warned manufacturers to ensure that no narcotic substances are mixed with their products. The Chief Minister said drug addiction was emerging as one of the biggest challenges facing society, with more young people falling prey to substance abuse. He added that the government had already launched several initiatives and would strictly enforce anti-drug measures, especially in educational institutions. Reiterating the government's commitment, he said the aim was to build a drug-free Karnataka and safeguard the future of the younger generation. Vice President C.P. Radhakrishnan, who attended the event, said strong willpower was essential to eliminate drug abuse, while Governor Thawar-Chand Gehlot described substance abuse as a serious threat to families and society. More than 25,000 students from RGUHS affiliated colleges participated in the program and took a pledge to serve as ambassadors for a drug-free India.
I am very happy that you are holding Nasha Mukta Bharata Conclave and you all are the ambassadors of it. So drug menace is only the major challenge we are facing today. Today, let us all join together. It is a shame that more of the youth are falling to this trap. You are the ambassador. You have to stop it. You have to guide them. It is your responsibility. You have taken this as a great profession. In this profession, we should see that nothing comes to India and we have to protect it. Today, ನಾನು ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಮಾತನ್ನು ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಬಯಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಪಾನ್ ಮಸಾಲ ಗುಟ್ಕಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಶೆ ಕೂಡ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನನಗೆ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಇದೆ. 100 ಕೋಟಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು. ಆದರೆ ಮುಂದಿನ ದಿನದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಲೀಕರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಯಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ, ಇಫ್ ಎನಿವನ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಬಿಟ್ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಬಿಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ನಶೆ ಇನ್ ದಟ್, if you see that some small drug is added, I will see that I will try to ban this in Karnataka. So you should be very cautious. I am giving a warning to all. Our goal is to create a drug-free Karnataka in our state. We are doing a lot of work in that. My minister, he has taken a big leap in it. Today, I am very proud. Our Vice President of India, today morning also, I just started this on behalf of the government, this Pulse Polio program. We are very happy in this country. Our Vice President started this great event. I would like to thank it. Enforcement in home is very much essential. That means in your colleges, in your environment, you have to create this. So we should see that we will protect our country. I don't like to speak much. We have a lot of time. Our leaders are there. Drugs menace in this country is like a tap of a bucket. So ಅದರಿಂದ ತಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಈ ನಶಾ ಮುಕ್ತ ಭಾರತದಲ್ಲಿ ರಾಯಭಾರಿಯಾಗಿ ತಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಜವಾಹರ್ಲಾಲ್ ನೆಹರು ಒಂದಿನ ಒಂದು ಮಾತು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, ದಿ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ ಆಫ್ ಟುಡೇ ವಿಲ್ ಮೇಕ್ ದಿ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ಟುಮಾರೋ. ಇಫ್ ವಿ ಡು ನಾಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರ್ ದಿ ಡ್ರಗ್ಸ್ ಟುಡೇ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್. ಸೊ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಡ್ರಗ್ ಫ್ರೀ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕವನ್ನು ನಿರ್ಮಾಣ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಕೂಡ ಸಹಕಾರಿ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ರಾಯಭಾರಿ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಐ ವುಡ್ once again congratulate the Rajiv Gandhi Health University, the Vice Chairman and all the Vice Chairmen earlier who have worked in this department. A great future. You have laid a very good foundation. We would like to continue. On behalf of Government of Karnataka, I would like to tell my entire government support stand committed with you to save Karnataka and save Karni. Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka, Jai Nashamukta Bharata. ಆಗ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲ? ಜೈ ಹಿಂದ್.